Here I'll just give you a breakdown of the entire beehive that we built. For those of you that have been following along, if anybody new kind of wants to see what they're going to be getting into as far as building one of these things, I'll go ahead and tear it open here for you. Take our top cover off. Like I said, all this is homemade except for the foundation and the queen excluder. Inner cover. We got our frames that we built. Foundation we put in them. Same here. Queen excluder. I bought this from Man Lake. It's about the only thing I do buy. Deep super. Again, with my homemade frames. Okay, I can really just save a bundle. Here's our bottom board. And our entrance reducer. So if anybody's wondering what their beehive is going to look like if you're following my videos, here it is. Let's put them back together. That's all there is to it.